Good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video, and today you can see by the thumbnail, man, moving and grooving. Like I said, y'all saw yesterday's video. The engine, I have to, man, when I be making the videos, y'all be seeing true live reaction. Obviously, I mean, first time discovering, so you don't have time to process and think stuff. So I had to think about everything. And like I said in the video, I already knew right then and there, though, I would not building two engines. I wasn't about to do that. And I'm tired of fooling with it. What's good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video. And today you can see by the thumbnail, man, moving and grooving. Like I said, y'all saw yesterday's video. The engine, I have to, man, when I be making the videos, y'all be seeing true live reaction. Obviously, I mean, first time discovering, so you don't have time to process and think stuff. So I had to think about everything. And like I said in the video, I already knew right then and there, though, I would not building two engines. I wasn't about to do that. And I'm tired of fooling with that engine. So it's a wrap. It's a wrap for that. I might keep the block and put the block up and use it for future use or something. I don't need that rotating assembly. I'm taking it back. The heads already sold. Y'all know I don't keep stuff fast. They got rid of, cause I'm not gonna be able to use them. No way. I mean, I got all of that. I got something totally different coming for Dolo that was already in the works anyway. So meats, they're gonna be sitting for the time being. Like I said, this I was gonna stick it in meat, but it's gonna be sitting for the time being. At least that's my thought process right now. Or if anything, I might buy another crate engine like wifey got, stick it in there just to have it on the road. Give y'all some content just to do a build or something. Cause they cheap. Those engines pretty cheap, $1,600. They ain't bad. So I might just do that if anything. But other than that, if I feel like it's sitting too long, I will get a crate engine. But meat's getting a big block. That ain't no secret. Everybody know that. Now, what big block, nobody knows. But anyway, Dolo still coming. I'm not done with it. But today I'm about to take the wheels off. And I supposed to show y'all my partner, Jai Davis' car yesterday. I got to put that in there because that Monte Carlo nasty. Y'all see it on the thumbnail. That car is nasty. So I'm about to take these wheels off. Jacking the car up and down again, y'all. Like my guy said I do. I jack the cars up and down again. So I'm jacking it. About to jack it up and get these wheels off because they for sale. I'm telling y'all, everything is about to be different. So for the subscribers, I want $1,400 for these wheels. Alright, y'all. About to get these wheels off. These youngins out here eating popsicles. These days off.
What up, monkey?
So I'm gonna roll the time lapse, y'all. I'm gonna do it like that. Alright, y'all, we're checking in, getting this back knocked out. Like I said, I got a plan already. I got a plan. Moving some stuff. Y'all know originally I was gonna change the wheels anyway in the end. So it's only right if I'm coming out of budget trim on the drivetrain. I might as well come out of budget trim on the wheels and the car. So it's some stuff about to get done. I'm about to go grab the other tire, y'all. Y'all hold on right quick. Alright, y'all. Checking in. Had to go get the other rim. And you need back on. Putting the Mario shoes on now. Putting the Mario shoes on now. I kinda like the Mario shoes better. Go faster. When that new engine get in here, I'm gonna try it out on this. I'm gonna have to run it on slicks too. I got to try it now. It's gonna be too much power not to try it on slick. I'm still run my car on wheels, but it's gonna be too much power not to try to run it on slicks. So I got to. But you know, hey, Small thing to a giant. That's how I look at stuff. The thing that get me, I spent so much money. I mean, it's all investments, tax deductible, but you know, you want to enjoy your car too. So, if somebody said something in the comment, it was real, man. He was like, man, Jay, he said you can do budget stuff and get away with it, but it's all about how it's put together and all that. Cause you can spend high dollar parts and still be going backwards. He right too. He right, man. He absolutely correct. I agree. So, like I said, man, we about to get right over here, y'all. 2020 for me was a year of building, ups and downs, this and that, you know. But next year, 2021, we racing. We racing, car shows, all that, all year long. We ride. That's why I'm making steps now. Cause I'm coming with some major pressure next year. But yep, y'all, like I was saying, coming with some major pressure next year. This stuff that people seeing me go through, first, man, I ain't never had the problems I'm having with bills. I have never had these problems in years of me building cars. This junk crazy. I promise you, man, I never had these type of problems. And I done built some cars, but I never had these problems. It's over with. It's over with. So yeah, man, we rolling. Like I said, at this point, I done read some of y'all comments, not all of them. Like I said, we coming with it. We coming with it. All this about to get changed. All this getting changed, I promise you. Not playing. No cap. What they saying? No cap. They ain't playing for real though. We about to come with it. Mario shoes. I'm gonna redo the suspension. It go time. It ain't gonna take all day. Cause see, another thing, man, like my cars, I don't want people, like me and my wife were talking about, you know, on the outside looking in, people form their own opinion of what's going on. Like, y'all know, man, I be taking a long time and stuff with these cars sometimes, but it ain't me, man. I don't want people thinking it me. Like, it ain't me financially or none of that. I'm blessed, man. We blessed. Not just me. We blessed. My whole family. And I ain't bragging that, throw that in nobody's face. It's just hard work. It's a product of hard work. And I ain't nobody to sit up here and act like I'm not doing good. I never got that. But I get it and I don't get it. Some people secret it. You know, they think everybody out to get them. Not me, man. I ain't finna sit up here. I understand not showing all your moves, which I don't do that, but I'm not finna act like I'm doing bad. And I work hard. I took all these losses to be where I'm at and to be able to do what I do. Cause I couldn't be spending money like this and doing this stuff to these cars 12 years ago. So it's hard work. And I ain't, you know, let's say I'm in a blessed position and it ain't me, man. Like, with the way I operate when I deal with people, anybody that deal with me too on a business level, they'll tell you I like to pay up front. Like, boom, hey, do what you do. They get it, cause I want my stuff, you know, I like to roll. But, you know, we're gonna make shape. We can get this last rim off, and then we're gonna see what we're gonna get into next. Alright, y'all, we checking in. We got the wheels off. No, what? This girl here. I got the wheels off though, y'all. And we rolling. Like I said, we got the Mario shoe back on. Finna push the car back forward. And like I said, they for sale, man. For y'all watching, subscribers, 1,400. But shoot, man, if I help somebody out, I might wheel and deal. Just keep it real, man. Keep it real, you know, hey, we'll make something happen. I love to see a subscriber have the things. The wheels though, y'all know they're in good shape. I just got 3 on right here, cause I sprayed these 3 off and let them sit in the sun. The other one over there. The race car right here. Do the race car sounds. Do the race car sound. Let me see. See, that's a lock up transmission right there. Hot rod. But anyway, like yeah, man, they sell. Y'all get at me. Get at me, man. We gonna the next shoes that go on here gonna be something official. We'll get this thing painted and everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and buy the shoes. I'm gonna go ahead and buy the new shoes. Of course, y'all know I'm shopping with CJ, One Stop Wheels and Tires. That's who I'm shopping with. I'm shopping with my people. We don't care about no prices. Who get what for what? I shop with my peoples. Hit price is hit price. That's how you supposed to roll though, man. Like, hey, now some people, if we just associates and you can't beat a certain price, I might go somewhere. But if you my people, man, I'm gonna shop with you. I ain't gonna look nowhere. It is what it is. Your price is your price. I believe in quality, customer service, all that stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna get my rim from One Stop Wheels and Tires. Of course, it's on the right. Every pair of rims I get, unless I'm doing something used or budget. Boy, the gorilla part got y'all slang. Whoa, oh, boy, hey, gorilla part got y'all all over the place. But yeah, I'm shopping with CJ though. But yeah, now I'm gonna throw that clip in there cause we went to Lawless the other day. I meant to put that clip, let y'all see that bad Monte Carlo. Boy, this thing is bad. It's the truth. Matter of fact, I'm about to hit him up, man. See if we can set up and I can get an exclusive video for y'all so y'all can get a solo. See how that car get down, man. This car fast, really fast. So we're gonna throw that clip in there, and then we're gonna check back in. All right, y'all. My boy Josh down here. My people too. We from the same hometown, man. Solid guy, real. I ain't ready now. Alright, y'all, checking in. And Summit, y'all see we had to take this back. Got my little road dog with me. Teeny. Going in. So we're gonna get back to the house and tell y'all the plan and everything. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking back in. Just made it back to the house. Boom, we dark outside. Them Summit trip, man. I don't even stay that far away from Summit, you know what I'm saying? It's under an hour. Right on the hour, but it like every time I go to Summit, boy, I don't know. It take time. Now I got the shout out, man. I forgot to get his name. He helped me out at Summit. He watched. He was actually watching the video when I took the rotating assembly back. So man, much love to my bro. Like I said, I forgot to get his name cause I like to shout y'all out every time. That's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna start shouting out every time I meet a supporter. I don't even like to say subscriber, but anyway, every time I meet a supporter, man, I'm start shouting them out. But I meet y'all everywhere, man. But we took it back. We got the wheels off. Said they over here in the corner. Wheels are for sale. Look at the tires, man. They A1 for sale, good shape, all of that. If they don't sell, hey, they can take however long they want. So they'll sit right there. Y'all know me. I throw them on something. I'm always keep car in and out. When I get meats going, I mount them up on meats. I change the front spring because y'all know that was the only problem was the front. Change the front spring and put them on meats and take all just boom and quit. So yeah, but got stuff shaking, man. The aluminum heads already sold. They over there in the corner. Actually, one of my boys picked them up from out of state. So what state they going to, who knows? But anyway, they gone. The aluminum heads, they sold within 40 minutes. Everything is sold except the wheels. Not everything. They don't keep it all, man. accessories and stuff like that, cause I'm gonna need all that. I'm keeping all of that. I ain't gonna need the valve codes, but I'm gonna keep the valve codes. I'm keeping accessory stuff. Ain't gonna need the carburetor, cause the carburetor not gonna work for my new engine. It ain't good enough. But the headers, that's why I sold the headers. The headers too small. But I'm gonna keep everything else, cause I won't have to rebuy that stuff. So, and it's all brand new. So yeah. But yeah, that's it. Tomorrow, man, I got 2 more of my bro coming over. We got two YouTube collabs happening tomorrow. Y'all have to check the video out to see who coming through. So yeah, man, tomorrow video gonna be pretty lit. It's gonna be a pretty lit video. So yep, that's it, y'all. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. We still shaking and moving and rolling. And like I said, small thing to a giant, man. Brown coat game, we don't fold. For real. Never fold. So yeah, that's it. I appreciate everybody. Appreciate y'all in the comments, all of that.